Artoonza.
This horseshoe drawing is so cute. It might just bring you too much good luck. We're talking glitter spills, a dramatic vacuum. He's so extra. Paint explosions, and oops, maybe a touch of nail polish. Please don't tell my mom we used it on a horseshoe again. Get ready to draw, paint, and totally slay this adorable art journey. Let's get sparkly. Warning, excess glitter may cause spontaneous dance moves. Oops, I glittered outside the lines again. Blame the brush. Warning, this horseshoe may cause random acts of extreme cuteness.
Aww.
Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Orange? Let's color together. Brown. Don't be shy, color high. This is better. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color.
Aww, so cute.
Yes, that's nail polish. Yes, I'm in trouble. Worth it. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.